Monday, July 27, 2026. Hope you're doing great. And we have a new feature for you today. We're excited to share this with you. I think you probably received the email over the weekend, but I wanted to highlight some of the aspects of what we're offering for you. Currently, we are seeing the market all over the place. The Dow was up 600 points earlier today. NASDAQ was up, and now we're seeing a bit of a sell-off with the Dow up only 244. NASDAQ down 26, crude off 6.30%. This is the big mover of the morning. Crude oil is really taking a beating and all about the geopolitical environment. I'm sure you're already aware. Silver up slightly, Bitcoin down slightly, and the rest not any huge moves being made. Currently, gold up a slight amount as well. But if you notice the homepage, we're showing a new market sentiment and really robust. We're dialing in our AI here. So you've got an overview, you've got the narrative sectors. I've been showing you this for the last few weeks, but now it's available to you. Macro health, really strong information. Streaking stock rockets, we're showing the rising and shining stars. We understand that, sometimes this list can be overwhelming and we're showing you 10, 15 different companies, and we wanted to help select the real key players from this list for you so you don't have to be either confused by it or uncertain as to the direction here. So again, a little more direction for you and clarity. And then we've got down here today's sectors and stocks, talking about which sectors are performing well and which are a potential for performance. We are analyzing the sectors. We're showing you different stocks to consider and why. Here's one, for example, United Healthcare Group, high outperformance potential, showing you catalysts for the company, risk as well, so you can carefully weigh these decisions before taking action. Merck is another one in the healthcare, moderate outperformance potential. Yeah, so just read through these different choices and see which resonate with you the most, as well as we are showing the buzz leaders most mentioned, the ones that are really getting the attention and wanting to draw this to your attention as well for consideration. So yeah, hopefully this is going to assist you to make better decisions, to navigate our site better. I think you'll really enjoy this content. And then over the weekend, we um, said that we've updated Finley, given just a lot more information. So this morning I went in just not long ago and asked, how can I position my portfolio better for the current market environment? This is a question that you can ask as well. And I was happily surprised as to the result that I got, talking about my current portfolio, and then it gave detailed data for the portfolio, all of my holdings, my positions, the North Star rankings of each position, the risk profile, the portfolio assistant group that it's in. Is it in your base, growth, or accelerate category? Current market interpretation, positioning view, like it's so good. Even saying retain as a core healthcare anchor, but avoid allowing one healthcare position to dominate the entire portfolio. So really good, helpful information. I highly recommend you do this as well. The central adjustment, reduce concentration, not equity exposure indiscriminately. And then it gives me steps, right? How would I position a portfolio for this environment? Build a stronger base foundation, keep growth, but make it quality growth. Be selective with accelerated exposure. Use cash as a tactical reserve. What I would reduce first, look at that. Like, I think it's phenomenal what we're offering you here. Current market signals to monitor, talking about what is on the horizon for you to take a look at. And then bottom line, like I just love this. Your best positioning is a barbell style concentrated portfolio strategy. When I read through this analysis, I completely agree with Finley. Sometimes we as investors, not that we get lazy, but we grow accustomed to our holdings and we tend to hold on to them, maybe some a little bit longer than we should, or maybe have a little more concentration in certain aspects that need to be reduced. So when I read through this, I was like, you know what? If I took all of these steps that it's giving me, I would have a stronger portfolio. In fact, I would be better positioned for the current market environment. Like I really like what it has to say here. So I'm going to recommend that you do this similar exercise. I think for what we're offering here is just phenomenal. And the next part of this is going to be our options. I've been talking about this for a while. Options VIP portal, where we show performance for your stocks, where, I mean, we're going to make this a completely integrated platform with your trading. We're already close to being set with that now, with your trading platform, where you can bring over the information about your stocks, and our portfolio assistant will be completely aware of what you have, what your holdings are, cost basis. It transfers over right away. And then we show you which option contracts to sell for a covered call writing. It's going to be a phenomenal option for you and an addition for you. There will be a slight upgrade monthly fee for this, but we'll make it super fair as we have all of our software plans going forward. And I think you'll really like it. The quality of these upgrades is just phenomenal, and it's certainly designed to help you become a better investor, a more successful investor. So thanks for your time and thanks for your interest. Thanks for joining. We're a platform of nearly 6,000 people, and we're super grateful for you and excited that you're here and looking forward to growing with you and helping you get to the next level with your investments. So have a fantastic week, and I will see you next Monday.